I wanna cry because there's no AC in Colton's car, but I have no room to talk. Oh, yeah. Cans. Can you get a yeah?
Things not running around, brothers is not around. He's a good man to the community. Everybody love him. He still has everybody right. The children them go to school and well take care of. Yeah. And good amount them one and
Yummy.
but for him he's not here.
Oh, with a small, small brain. Jeff, 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 Jeff. Jeff, 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 Jeff. Jeff, Jeff, Jeff. Jeff, Jeff, Jeff.
Body and mentally, hey, don't bust me straight up in that liar. You fuck me slowly if you want.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh, look at it! It's just staying there. Oh. Oh god.
Gotcha. I'll know what you did.
I can't tell Noah
Why?
because
Because why?
it's Noah.
And?
I don't know. Noah's a dingle Billy guy. I don't know.
Que también si nos vamos de aquí y nos ve terminar a las curvas y verga, ¿y tú por qué nada más vas a volver a doblar a la derecha?
Can I get a oh yeah?
Y de ahí te vas a meter ahí donde hicieron la calle nueva, el pasadero para las bicicletas. Vas a doblar a la mano izquierda. Oh, look at the dimple.
Ow.
Cubby, can I get a fucking oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
What?
Yeah.
And you didn't wear a mask during the corona times when you were graduating.
Yeah.
And you sucked the pastor's dick once you graduated.
Yeah.
So, now you feel better, Joe?
Meatloaf and mustard.
It's on your vlog. Tell me about all the Newport news. I want 3 sausage egg McMuffins.
Diarrhea.
None.
Try.
Apples,
Yeah.
bananas.
Yeah.
I'm all out.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
You can't name 3?
I don't know.
Oranges?
Yep.
How many fruits could he name? He only could name 2. Can you beat him?
Fruits.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
1.
Banana's a fruit, boy.
Yeah.
Banana.
That's 3. Can you name more?
Yeah.
What?
Kale.
Pear?
Yeah.
Okay, 4.
Strawberry.
5.
You only can name 2.
Yeah.
I.
Both of you didn't even say oranges.